You guys want to come with me to like a little fashion show? That's what I'm wearing. Cute. Look at me in the reflection. I'm gonna go, and if I'm going, then you gotta go too. So let's just go together. Okay, I decided to put my hair up because I feel like a few days ago I put coconut oil in it and then I just never washed it out. Every time I'm like, oh, like gotta go network, gotta go socialize, gotta go to this event. As soon as I'm like ready to go, I'm like, what if I just didn't go? I'm the luckiest girl in the world because they canceled the event. I changed into comfy clothes. My dog is already mad at me, but Colette is on her way to pick me up. This is the last night I'm gonna see her. She's going to Burning Man, but yeah.
We're gonna go to the warehouse.
You're in Hawaii. She's gonna be in Burning Man.
On your shoulders.
No, I'm going to Paris. Everything there is so cheap now. I can literally get what? You want Chanel for $4,000?
There's a riot. It's 1,000.
There's a trip.
Pick your wine, Emma.
We should honestly get all matching Skims.
This is what happens when two women get ready for Burning Man.
Is me and Billy at Burning Man?
That's pregnant cat.
Pregnant baby.
You're preggy.
Are you just a little baby?
Are you kidding me?
Harry, there.
Wow. So cute. It took them 5 minutes.
Wait, where'd you get this? Billy.
Wow, it's really good.
Show me what you bought me when you went to fucking Tennessee and I watched your dog. Oh my god. She was like, this is gonna be great for your OnlyFans.
And that.
It's actually kind of cute.
And that.
This book.
It's called Perfect. That's you, bitch.
Look what Colette got out. What is this? Say goodnight to Colette, you guys.
Oh my god.
We're leaving, we're getting an Uber. Thank God Bao is here.
I mean, I was thinking, oh, and then I brought you like, you are maybe the most ridiculous. Do you have like nipple covers?
No. Best stylist in Atlanta.
Okay, so do you want me to,
This is so
how do you want me to do it?
However, this doesn't matter. Like, pretend that's not even there.
I literally pulled out my favorite piece of like, it's bridal living Westwood.
Oh my fucking god. That's stunning.
But it's gonna be so good on you.
Yeah, I gotta get like new.
Yeah, I brought a lot of them so that we can stack them.
Okay, perfect.
So we're going to the Blondes. This is their first ever official like exhibition debut here in Atlanta.
You were telling me they're just from like New York and LA.
They're from New York. No, they're not from, they're from New
just
York.
New York?
They're just New York.
Not the Vivian Westwood. No, this is amazing. This is what I'm wearing. Styled by Bao. No, this is like gorgeous. Oh my god. Ugh.
Fashion.
And I can't say that because they're so canceled. The makeup. Oh, so cute.
Yes.
Yep.
We're going to church.
Burn me at the stake.
Just
Just kidding.
Wearing all these chains for Jesus.
Yeah, anything for him. Jew for Jesus over here.
Why is that?
I love that.
Yesterday. And then no.
Icon. Oh my god.
But she did, this was her. Ellen von Wurstenberg like half shot.
This is so beautiful.
That's it? And then I press?
Yeah, and then it's recording.
did smell it. Come on, pant though.
Baby.
For what, my love? Thanks for taking me.
Oh my god, also for the... I'm not even joking with you. I'm not, when I'm like clicking, I'm not even joking.
Blue Marine little promo.
Every little moment.
Little Blue Marine moment.
Sponsor us.
Cute. Okay, we're gonna go out in the town.
We need to get a Blue Marine sponsorship.
Little bubble tea moment with Bao at Colony Square. Cute. Oop, my hand. My literal paper styles.
Isn't it cute? Oh my god, I made her wear this little like cute.
There's nothing I can do.
I'm like holding her out the entire night. Look.
Just let it out. Just let me out. We're getting chicken.
You're getting chicken sandwiches, but her tits out.
It is Bao. I have to sit like this.
It's fine. Hot. Look at how hot she is today. Oh. Yeah, so hot. I'm like, turn off.